Consider this y equal to cos inverse x by 2 divided by root of 2x plus 7. So quotient form it is. So we have to apply quotient form to find the derivative of this function. Differentiate with respect to x dy by dx equal to denominator root 2x plus 7 dy dx of cos inverse x by 2 minus cos inverse x by 2 dy dx of root 2x plus 7 this divided by root 2x plus 7 bracket square. Denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator whole divided by denominator bracket square. This equal to root of 2x plus 7 cos inverse minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square fx square x by 2 bracket square, and derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2 minus cos inverse x by 2 root fx. This is 1 upon 2 root 2x plus 7. Derivative of 2x plus 7 is 2. This whole divided by 2x plus 7. So root get cancels here. So cos inverse of fx minus 1 upon root of 1 minus fx bracket square, and derivative of fx is here 1 by 2. So root fx 1 upon 2 root fx 1 upon 2 root fx, derivative of fx is 2. Here 2 get cancels. This equal to root of 2x plus 7 this into, there is minus sign, this minus sign, 1 upon root of 1 minus x square by 4 into 1 by 2 minus cos inverse of x by 2 divided by root 2x plus 7. This whole divided by 2x plus 7. So here root 2x plus 7 is the LCM. Multiply this with the expression. This equal to, take this LCM, minus 2x plus 7. This divide into 1 divided by root of. So take LCM here, 4 minus x square, root of 4 is here, this divided by 2, and this into 1 by 2 minus cos inverse x by 2, this whole divided by, so root of 2x plus 7 and this 2x plus 7, root of 2x plus 7 this into 2x plus 7. Here 2 get cancels. So here this LCM is common for entire numerator, therefore minus 2x plus 7 this divided by root of 4 minus x square, and this denominator multiplies this one, root 2x plus 7 2x plus 7 minus cos inverse of x by 2 this divided by root 2x plus 7 into 2x plus 7. Here I have separated the expressions here. So therefore this multiplied this one, here it is 1, therefore this denominator goes here. So therefore 2x plus 1 get cancels here. So therefore minus 1 upon root of 4 minus x square root 2x plus 7 minus cos inverse x by 2 is divided by root of 2x plus 7 2x plus 7. This equal to, take minus sign common, 1 upon root of 4 minus x square root 2x plus 7 plus cos inverse x by 2 is divided by root of 2x plus 7 into 2x plus 7. So here minus sign is common, so this becomes plus, this becomes also plus. So this numerator as it is, here cos inverse x by 2, this denominator is root 2x plus 7, 2x plus 7. Or this 1 upon root of 4 minus x square root of 2x plus 7 plus cos inverse of x by 2. So here 2x plus 7 raised to 3 by 2 because root a into a raised to 1 by 2 a raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 a raised to 3 by 2. So root a this becomes 3 by 2. Find the derivative of y equal to cot inverse of root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x root of 1 plus sin x minus root of 1 minus sin x. Already the problem here, this problem is solved in the inverse trigonometric functions. So it may be tan inverse or it may be cot inverse. So therefore to solve this, first we have to simplify this one. Consider root of 1 plus sin x. So this is equal to, we know that sin x is equal to 2 sin x upon 2 cos x upon 2. So plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So therefore according to this x by 2 we have to adjust here 1 in terms of sin and cos, that is cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Now it is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab, this equal to a plus b bracket square. So therefore this becomes a equal to this one, b equal to this one, cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2 bracket square. So since there is root, so therefore this becomes root and this get cancels, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. So this is root of 1 plus sin x. Similarly, root of 1 minus sin x is equal to, so directly I will write here cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So there is no change, only there is change in the plus, and here it is minus. So minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Therefore this entire expression reduces to cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now put these values in this equation. So therefore, so call this is 1. So root of 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Root of 1 minus sin x is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Therefore y equal to cot inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. This divided by cos x by 2 by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now simplify this. Cot inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, this divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus of minus plus sin x by 2. Here sin get cancels, here cos get cancels. Therefore, cot inverse of a plus a 2 cos x by 2 2 sin x by 2. Again 2 get cancels. Cot inverse of cos x by 2 divided by sin x by 2. This equal to cot inverse of cot x by 2. Cos x by 2, sin x by 2. Now these two get cancels. This equal to x by 2. X by 2. Now differentiate this. Differentiating this. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to dy dx of x by 2. This equal to 1 upon 2. Derivative of x is 1. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 1 by 2. So here y equal to log x bracket raised to log x function raised to function exponential form. So therefore we have to take log. You should not confuse with both are. So confuse with this one, log of x raised to log x. So this one and this one both are different. Both are different problem. It is function raised to function exponential form. This one is already in the log m raised to n form. Taking log y equal to log of log x raised to log x, log of log x raised to log x, log m raised to n. So this equal to n log m. So here this equal to m, this equal to n, m raised to n. This equal to log y, log x, this is n, log of log x, this is one function, this is the another function. So this one is the product rule. So therefore differentiate with respect to x, 1 by y dy by dx. This equal to log x dy dx of log x plus log x dy dx of log x derivative of log x plus log x derivative of log x. This equal to log x. So here it is composite 1 upon log x, again